friends, today's video is on Asparagus Fern. It is a common and fast-growing houseplant and is native to South Africa. Asparagus fern is not a true fern, but a member of the lily family. Long arching stems, densely covered with short, needle-like leaflets, give this plant a delicate appearance. It comes in different varieties, and the most common variety is Asparagus Sprengeri. It doesn't take up a lot of space and is adaptable and happy in a number of different environments. Now let's discuss some tips and tricks on how to care for asparagus fern. Asparagus fern will do best in bright, indirect sunlight. You will know that the fern is receiving too little sunlight if the needles turn yellow, or plant may not be getting enough sunlight. Plant it in a place that benefits from the morning sun. Next comes soil. Plant asparagus fern in well-drained soil that is slightly acidic. It is generally tolerant of less than ideal soil conditions. Add peat moss to your soil or buy a peat moss planting mix. Keeping asparagus fern hydrated takes a little effort. Mist the plant daily, focusing on the arching stems. Water asparagus fern once a week during the winter. The heat during the summer causes the ground to become dry faster. Water when the top layer of potting mix has dried out. If the plant turns to be turning brown and droopy, it likely needs more water. Choose a spot that maintains average room temperature. Asparagus fern needs daytime temperatures around 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Night temperatures are best around 50 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Asparagus ferns prefers moist air. Dry indoor air will cause this plant to shed its small leaflets. During summer, the plant may need weekly feedings, otherwise feed monthly. Water-soluble fertilizer typically come in liquid or powder form. Powder fertilizers need to be mixed with water. Asparagus fern do not need large pots, as they are slow indoor spreaders. Repot once a year in spring. Ferns grow rapidly and repotting allows them to grow freely and without damage. Asparagus fern develops from the tuberous roots that grow just below the surface of the soil. So, cutting taken from the plant will not grow. Instead, the asparagus fern is easily propagated by dividing and replanting the tubers. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this plant. Give this video thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Stay tuned.